ClickUp versus Notion. Which is better for project management? Links to both platforms are in the description below. If you're deciding between ClickUp and Notion, you're really choosing between an all-in-one project management powerhouse and a highly flexible workspace that can be shaped into almost anything. ClickUp is built specifically for project management. It comes packed with features right out of the box: tasks, subtasks, dependencies, time tracking, goals, dashboards, docs, and advanced automation. You also get multiple views like list, board, Gantt, and calendar, making it suitable for both simple and complex workflows. It's designed to replace multiple tools, and for teams that want everything in one place, it delivers a very complete solution. However, that depth can also make it feel overwhelming at first, especially for new users. Notion takes a completely different approach. It's more of a blank canvas. You can build task managers, databases, wikis, and project trackers from scratch using blocks and templates. This makes it incredibly flexible, but also means you need to invest time in setting things up. Out of the box, Notion is not a dedicated project management tool, but with the right structure, it can become one. Its strength lies in combining documentation and project tracking in a seamless way. When it comes to collaboration, both tools perform well, but in different ways. ClickUp focuses on task-based collaboration with comments, assignments, and real-time updates. Notion excels in content collaboration, allowing teams to edit documents, share knowledge, and link information across projects effortlessly. In terms of performance and usability, ClickUp can sometimes feel heavy due to the number of features, while Notion is generally cleaner but can slow down with very large databases. Automation and reporting are also stronger in ClickUp, making it better suited for teams that need detailed tracking and analytics. ClickUp is best for teams that want a powerful, structured, and feature-rich project management system with minimal need for customization. Notion is ideal for individuals, startups, and teams that value flexibility and want to combine project management with documentation in one place. Overall, if your priority is advanced project management and scalability, ClickUp is the better choice. If you prefer flexibility and a more customizable workspace, Notion is the way to go.